In this video, I want to talk about how you can trade in Webull. Now you can download the app to do this, or you can use the website version. Just keep in mind, if you want to use real money, you need to be located in the US, Australia, and Canada, I believe. Otherwise, you can only use the demo account. But if you're on your PC, you can go to the web trader here, and from in here you will be able to trade. So simply search for whatever you want to trade. Let's say you want to trade Apple. You can come in here and you will be able to buy and sell here once you've logged into your account and you are making sure that you are in the US. Now, if you want to do paper trading, you can head over here. You can search for whatever one. I'm on Tesla right now. And then you will be able to buy and sell right here. And just log into your account and you will get your free demo money. And you can do this even if you're outside of the US. You can use the paper trading and you'll be able to trade. So you can make a market order, limit order, stop order, whichever one you want. And you will be able to trade inside of here. Now you can also trade directly from the app. So you can just use whichever one you want to. If you want to do futures trading, you want to come over here. And that is the easiest way to do this, guys. Keep in mind, this is only for paper trading. If you want to use real money, you want to go to these and do it from in here. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.